All right, let's generate an image and use Laser DaSH-IT to turn it into a vector. So go ahead and come down here and open up the image generator. And we're going to tell it to make something. So we will create a realistic line art style owl for a coloring book, black and white. Perfect. All right, so we will save that. So that is owl. And then we will open the owl. And first thing first, we will pre-process the image. After we pre-process, we will move on to the SVG button, and we will convert this owl into an SVG. Okay, perfect. Now press this button, and the first thing we're going to do in this window is we're going to check this box and leave this top one unchecked. Press preview and see how it looks. That looks pretty good to me. I'm happy with that, so I'll press save. If you need to adjust the contrast, make a little bit darker or lighter, or the brightness, you can adjust those as well, but this one looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and press save vector, and we'll name that owl vector. All right, that is done. So we'll come over here to Lightburn, and let's first open it up, import it, and it will probably import rather large and not in the black layer, so we'll have to change it to black, which I'll do right now. And you can see it's 26 inches tall, so we'll take that down to 5 inches or so, and then we'll deselect it and view it. My computer's slow when it's making a screen recording, and I'm about out of hard drive space, so it's very slow. I apologize. I wish it could move faster. All right, so let's check it out. And that's pretty dang good right there, guys.